Hello, this is Mary with Better Day Consulting and Credit Repair. And in this video, I'll be talking to you about understanding your credit score part 2. So, did you know that each credit bureau uses computer and mathematical equations, so they can arrive at your credit score? And it's based on the different information contained on your credit report. So, this is why you have like different scores with different bureaus. One bureau may have like 623, and the other one may have like 614, and another one may have 703 or something like that. So most credit bureaus, they use the FICO system, and FICO is an acronym for uh, the credit scoring software, and it's called Fair Isaac Corporation Company. I talked about that in a previous video. But this is the software that they use, and this is the model they use, and this is the models used by many financial institutions, and it's basically the leader in the field. When you hear people talk about, oh, my FICO score, that's what they talk about right there. Um, and they may call it FICO score, they may call it FICO ratings. And it's important that you understand that it's both the same thing, and it uses the software to calculate your credit score. Um, One of the things you want to understand about the software and the mathematics that goes into your credit score is the fact that math is used by the software is based on research and comparative mathematics. So I don't know how they come up with the algorithm, but it's something that I don't understand. But I know it works because um, a lot of lenders use that mathematic equation. And it's also important to understand the simple concept that can help you understand how to boost your credit score as well. So when you understand that mathematical equation or even parts of it, you'll learn how to, okay, this is what I need to do for my credit score here. This is what I need to do in this area right here. Um, and your credit score is a way of, in a way, it's calculated on the same principle as your insurance premiums because they use risk factors in your behavior. So your insurance company, they're going to ask you questions like about your health or your lifestyle choices, such as whether you're a smoker or not, or whether you're a skydiver or not, or a racetrack driver, something with high risk. Because these little bits of information, they can tell the insurance company how much of a risk you are and how likely you are to make large claims later on. So, of course, this is based on research, and studies have also shown that, like, for example, smokers tend to be more prone to serious illness and require more medical attention. You got people that smoke may have emphysema or some kind of lung disease or something like that. So they'll be a higher risk than a person that didn't smoke. That's why the insurance company asks you all these different questions and stuff. So credit bureaus and lenders, they look at a general pattern as well. So since people with too many debts tend, not to have a good credit score or good credit rating of repayment, your credit score may suffer. If you got like too many debts, you may not be able to pay all of your debts. If you got too much stuff out there to pay monthly, you may not be able to pay it. So that may create a risk as well. So a credit score is not a personal reflection on how good or bad you are with money. It's rather a reflection of how well lenders and companies think you will pay your bills based on that information that they gather from studying other people, right? So the second thing is it'll let you see that if you want to improve your credit score, you need to work on becoming, that sort of person or that sort of debtor that that tends to repay their bills. So you don't have to work hard to reinvent your financial situation, and you don't have to start making more money either. You just need to look reliable to lenders. You need to look like you can pay your bills. Uh, you know, and this will help you right there with your credit, because once they see that and see you paying, then they'll be subjected to give you more money, right? Um, it works like this. So credit bureaus, they have clients such as the credit card companies, utility companies, and stuff like that. So once a credit file has begun on you, like you open a banking account or you start paying the bills, then this information is stored on your record somewhere. And if you're paying a bill late, the client, which is like the utility company or the credit card company, they're gonna contact the credit bureau and they're gonna let them know. They're gonna send over your unpaid bills, your overdue bills, whether it went to a charge off, collection, or whatever, and it's gonna be a ding on your credit report. So information such as, what type of debt you have, how much debt you have, how regular you pay your bills on time, and all your credit accounts, all this information is used to calculate your credit score. Now your age, your sex, your income don't count for your credit score at all. So you don't have to worry about, if I'm an old female or if I'm a gay male, would that have anything to do with my credit score? No, it does not. It don't even reflect in that. um, the actual formula used by credit bureaus to calculate your credit score, it's like I said, it's a well kept secret, and we don't even know how it actually works, but we do know it works. So, of course, it keeps information on your recent account activity, like how you paying your bills, your debts, like how much you have in debt, how much you owe on your accounts, your length of credit, how long you done had your accounts. It's gonna tell how much, how many unpaid accounts that you have, if the stuff is late or if it's charged off or whatever. It's going to talk about your types of credit, like your revolving accounts and your installment accounts, and how many times you done apply for a different credit. So if you need me to explain this a little bit further, I can do that. Just set up your consult at creditconsult.betterdayconsulting.com. Reach out to me, 833-522-0200. I love to talk to you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.